Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a concept map in Canva. So concept maps are like visual diagrams where you can organize and display data. So if that's what you're looking to create, follow along. So in your camera account, we're going to click to the left hand side on templates. Then I'm going to type in the search bar concept map. So Canva does a really good job of offering like hundreds and maybe even thousands of professionally designed templates. So this gives you a really good place to start so you can really focus on the information you want to show off rather than the graphic design side of it. So have a look through the templates and see which one best fits what you're trying to create. Remember that you can go in and edit every aspect of the template. So if it's not, the perfect color or the perfect font, you can go in and change everything and put all your own information in. So I'm going to click on one of these. I'm going to click on this creative concept map. Then I'm going to click on customize this template. So here is where it's over to you to edit the template and create your own concept map. So you can click on every element. As you can see, as my mouse hovers over each bit, a little box comes around it. So that means I can click on that and edit that. So I can edit the text. I can write something else in if I want to. I can click on the text. I can change the fonts up if I want. So scroll through. So say if I prefer this text, I can do that, and I can click to change all the text throughout the whole template, which saves a bit of time. If you don't like something that you've just done, click on the undo button at the top. So just click back and everything will change back to how it was before. And you can edit the images. You can upload your own images on the left hand side. So maybe if you want to change this light bulb, I can delete that and have a look in the graphics and type in what you want. So maybe it's something like a brain, to represent thinking. I can click on graphics. So I can delete that one if I want, and then maybe put something in like this is quite fun. I can drag and drop the corners just to make it fit a little bit more. I can go in and obviously it's got lorem ipsum text here. You'll want to go in and add all your own information that you want to show off in your concept map. But keep going, edit everything. You can even change the colors as well, things like that. And when you're happy with your concept map, give it a name and you can download it and share it with whoever you want to. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.